everyone, today's video was a request by HK. She asked what to do with sections or stickers you don't like / don't have a purpose for. And today we are focusing on how to use up those stickers. The first idea is to use stickers on some sort of a tracker in your planner, like a habit tracker, to mark each day that you successfully completed that habit. I'm actually going to set up a weight loss tracker in my planner, and each hexagon will represent a pound of weight lost. I'm going to start by repurposing. So I have tons of these hexagon stickers because I have multiples of these colorful books, and I just have not found a use for them. So I decided that I'm going to repurpose them. So one way that you can repurpose them is by covering up the parts that are just not working for you. For me, I just do not like to use these busy day and lazy day stickers. I'm using a stencil to draw out the hexagons. And I want it to be kind of like a road, so I have a start and a finish without a specific date assigned to them. At the finish line, I'm adding a flag, and I want it to say finish, but I can't find all the letters I need on the same sheet. So I'm going to mix and match alphabet letters from different sheets or different booklets. And I seem to always run out of the letters that I need whenever I have alphabet stickers. You seem to never have enough A's or enough E's, etc. So lately I've been mixing and matching the stickers from different sheets, and this allows me to use them up. Each of the hexagons are getting labeled with a number to indicate the number of pounds of weight loss. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 filled in, and then I can place more stickers down as I lose more weight. Idea 4 is to cut stickers into a different shape. So I've had these diamond stickers for over 4 years, but have yet to think of a way to use them until now. And I decided to cut them into arrow shapes in order to indicate the direction that the tracker moved in. I tend to have a lot of leftover quotes and sayings in my sticker books, so I used some of them to create a motivational quotes page to look at when I'm feeling stressed. And I added this page to my wellness planner. The next idea deals with using up those stickers in your weekly spread. There are often many random shapes that I can't find a use for. For example, I have trouble using up those circles with words or sayings in them, or asterisks, or even arrows sometimes. So here is an example of a way to do something called sticker bombing, which I actually first learned about at PlannerCon last year in a workshop led by Pipsticks, but it's really just a sticker collage. For example, you can create an intentional shape where an outline can be seen from a distance, or you can fill in a shape like the boxes on your weekly spread, as I'm going to show here. It's usually recommended that you start with your largest stickers, placing those first, and then moving to smaller sizes, the medium stickers, and then the small stickers. It's up to you if you want them to overlap or not, or whether you want them placed randomly or in patterns. You can also cut the stickers to make them appear like they are peeking out from the outside border. I decided to do this rainbow theme because I found that it's easier for me to make this work if I either use all the same color stickers or some kind of rainbow pattern. But don't limit yourself. Try different color schemes, 'schemes, 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 'schemes,
Trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart.
The next two ideas are related to kids. Your extra stickers can be used on brown paper bag lunches for your kids to take to school. Or you could use them on a printable weekly chore chart. These are free printable chore charts for boys and girls that I found online, and I'll link the website where I found them in the description down below. But you don't have to just use star stickers for these. You can print these out each week and have your kids use your extra planner stickers to mark completed chores or other tasks. Maybe that's flossing, reading, finishing their homework, brushing their hair, etc. And you can print these sheets out, punch holes in the side, and put it in a planner that's left open in their room. Or you could hang it on their wall or keep it on the kitchen fridge, etc. The ninth idea is to use them to decorate a planner cover or a dashboard. And in this example, I'm going to create a cover. I wanted to fill in my own shape, so I drew this kind of sunburst pattern onto paper that fits in the Happy Planner to use as a template for placing down the stickers. I placed the laminating sheet over the piece of paper and then began to fill in the spaces, dedicating each section to a different color. And in order to help define the shape, I cut some of the stickers at a diagonal and then placed them at the point where the line would be if I had drawn it onto the transparency instead of that piece of paper that is behind the transparency. This is going to act as the overlay for the cover, which I will laminate later on. And in just a moment, I'll show how I make a gold glitter background using a 12-inch by 48-inch glitter table cover that I found for $3 at a store called Five Below. And the reason why I purchased a table cover instead of just some glitter paper is because it's a lot cheaper. A 12 by 12 sheet of glitter paper usually sells for about $2, but I got 4 times the amount for $1 more. Because it's a table runner though, it's not as sturdy as cardstock would be, so if you are concerned about sturdiness, I would recommend using glitter cardstock instead. I decided to cut this to size and laminate it as a backer for this sticker cover. And I cut off the edges, making sure not to get too close to the glitter material because you don't want to break that seal in the laminate. Then I punched holes in the side. Idea number 10 is to use them to decorate gift tags or cards. One of the great things about using stickers on cards is that you can easily personalize the card by adding the person's name. And I think that when someone gives you a homemade card, it's really special because you know that that person put time and effort into it. So that's why I love to give them to my friends and family. I made this last year just using a plain black phone case, and I want to point out though that the stickers that I used for this are from the sticker sheet shown here. They're not from, say, a Happy Planner sticker book, so they're a little bit thicker. And I added 2 coats of polyurethane and used this case for about 3 months last year. And the stickers to this day are still holding on strong. Another idea is to make your stickers more functional by laying other stickers on top. Let's say you have one of those metallic full box stickers that you haven't used because you aren't sure how to make it functional. If you overlap a white box on it, like this one that has lines, then you can write down information that you want to stand out, like for example the time of your dentist appointment, etc. And if you are having trouble using up decorative stickers that are not necessarily functional, I personally like to use them on inserts or to-do lists, or I've even used them to decorate a packing list in my planner. And the final idea is to donate or give away or destash your stickers. You can give them to your kids or someone else's kids for craft projects. You can donate them to, say, an assisted living place or some other charity. You can send them to a pen pal, or you can do a sticker swap with a planner pal, or even drop them off at a destash table at an event like PlannerCon, where you can leave your unwanted stickers. I had a lot of fun with these sticker projects, and I hope that they have given you some ideas for using up your planner stickers that you are having a hard time finding a purpose for. I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!